the best I can do to move these chickens. We'll put them all in, close it, and then bring it back down. So catching 200 birds is not my idea of having a good time. So we're gonna try using this, get them all in here, pick this up, the whole thing up, and just put it up there. I don't know if I'm gonna pick it up when they're all in there, but I think catching them all together hopefully will speed up this process. Whoops. That always works better with the camera, let me tell you what. This is as I expected. Bunch of 3-4 pound birds. A lot heavier to pick up than I thought it would. That's what I thought it was going to be heavy. Oh gosh. That is heavy and very awkward. Good grief. Okay, well, it's gonna take me a while. I don't think I need to keep showing that. Just do it to the rest. Get them up in there. Well, that's how we gotta do it. Got a makeshift for now. We don't have the crates. So I'm gonna leave. We will see you at the processing plant. All right, guys. We just emptied the bed into crates. Now I'm gonna be heading home. We had a few casualties. Having the birds back here on the mosquito on my eye, on this wood chips is great, but that's not enough space for about 200 birds. I need to get myself some crates like that. But we will be coming back. They have an issue with some of their equipment. They have a technician coming to work on them. So I will be coming back tonight either to pick up the birds alive because they couldn't deal with them, or I'll be coming back tonight and picking up the frozen birds. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they get the stuff working and we can get this checked off the box. So yep, be back here tonight. Well, here we go. I've got 4 coolers in the back. We're gonna go pick up the chickens. They were able to process them, although it's like 7:30 p.m. I won't get there till about 8:30. So it's kind of late, but they're having issues with some equipment, but better late than never. All right, guys, it's the next day, Friday. We took the birds in Thursday. I wasn't able to get out and get them last night. I would have gotten here like 9 something at night. It's afternoon. We just picked up the birds. I talked to them. They gave me some pointers on maybe what happened, why the birds are so small. And I think it's because we're putting too many birds in a tractor. More importantly, we got the birds. See you back at the farm unloading them, and I'll also show you what we're gonna put them in. So here we go.